Hello everyone, it's Ruby Patchouli. Thank you for stopping by my channel and welcome to another curly hair video. Today I'm going to be testing out the Olaplex Hair Essentials Set. And that set pretty much consists of number 3, which is the bond maintenance, the bond repair treatment that everyone loves and raves about. It also comes with the number 4, which is the bond maintenance shampoo, number 5, which is the bond maintenance conditioner, and they also put in number 7, which is the Olaplex Bonding Oil. Now this set is essentially a bond maintenance set for your hair, which is really great for those who suffer from damaged curls, bleached hair. It's good for any hair type. It doesn't have to be a curly girl. This set is for everyone. Pretty much what bond repair treatment does is it bonds your hair strands together. For those people who are suffering from fried cuticles, this can really help you. If you bleach your hair, I'm pretty sure you've noticed that your ends are sometimes pretty fried because of the bleaching. This whole set will work for you. I received this set for Christmas. During the holidays, the set cost about $60. It came with 3, 4, 5, and 7. And if you've ever purchased Olaplex, then you're aware that each bottle is usually $28, so that is a pretty good value. I'm going to walk you guys through on how I apply the bonding treatment to my hair. I use it before I shampoo. Come with me so I can show you guys how I use the whole set, and at the end I will give you guys my honest opinion about the set. Is it worth it? Is it not? Did it repair my hair? Did it make my hair worse? You're gonna find all of that out in today's video, so stay tuned. Here I am with my hair damp, ready to apply my bonding treatment. The directions for number 3 states, use 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. I do have towel dry hair, and I'm gonna apply this in sections so I can make sure that every single strand is coated. So here I have my Olaplex and it's not even open. Open the product first. That would be very helpful. This smells really, really good. I always enjoy using this product. Oh, that was a lot. So this is the consistency. And what I like about this is that as soon as you put it in your hair, your knots just go away. I think that's so cool. Now I like to kind of wrap them around each, I like to part my section into 2 more sections and just wrap it around. That. Now let's go with the other side. Now what this product is supposed to do is bond your cuticles together. I don't know about you guys, but I like to wrap my hairs in a ball. And at the end, I like to look at them and see, like, is this too much hair fallout or is this normal? Now this 3.3 ounce bottle, you can get, depending on your hair length, you can get about 3 to 4 uses out of them, depending how much you apply and how often you do it. I like to help the bonding treatment by smoothing my hair with my brush, just making sure those cuticles or smoothed down so that the product doesn't have as much work to do, you know? I'm trying to help the product. Almost done. So this is very quick and easy. Every single week when I'm doing my wash days, I'm always doing a treatment before I wash, and it's usually the oil treatment and this treatment that I do. I only do this though, I only apply number 3 once a month because my hair isn't that damaged, thankfully, because I did cut quite a bit, but I just want to keep my hair healthy. I do prefer doing this treatment as opposed to the oil treatment just because it's an easier cleanup. And now that's done, all I'm gonna do is just put my hair up, and this is how I'm gonna be for, I don't know, maybe 20 or 30 minutes, depends, unless life gets in the way. Maybe I'll take it off tomorrow. The great thing is that you can leave this on longer if you want. So this is the fallout I got right now. Maybe it's TMI, but this is the fallout I get, and I'm pretty sure when I shower, I'm probably gonna get more fallout. I do want to be as transparent as I can with you guys and show you the amount of fallout I get so that you guys can compare that to yours and see if it's probably the same. Everyone's different though, depending on the length of hair you have and your density. But I would constantly be on YouTube checking like what is too much fallout. And I wanted to see pictures of people's fallouts and I never could. I know it sounds disgusting, but so that's why I'm gonna show you guys how much hair I lose whenever I wash. I'm back, hair washed, treatment done, and I'm ready to show you guys how my hair looks after using the Olaplex Holiday Essentials Set, which comes with 3, 4, 5, and 7. So 3, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, is the bonding treatment. And what that does, basically it repairs and it strengthens your hair. It helps smooth your cuticles together. If you have split ends, it's really good for that. I don't have many split ends, but I do have like single strand knots, which is very annoying. The only way you can fix that is by cutting it off. But I have a lot of those in the bottom. However, my hair does tend to get dry. From last year, I had a lot of damage from coming off of birth control, so my hair thinned out a lot, and I'm just very excited to give my hair more TLC. So I'm hoping that the Olaplex Set does exactly that, and it helps like bring my hair back to life. My hair is not chemically processed. I have no color in it. This is just my natural hair. It took a while to get here. So don't be deterred if you have color in your hair or heat damage. It's okay. This is a process. This is all a learning process for all of us, for you, for me. So I had on the number 3 for longer than I should have, even though on the bottle it doesn't say not to leave it on longer. It says you can if you want. I left it on till the next day. I mean, life gets in the way. It just made more sense to wash my hair in the morning as opposed to nighttime. I don't really like to go to sleep with wet hair, and I wasn't gonna have enough time to style it and dry it, so I just did it today. And then after rinsing off number 3, I went in with number 4, which is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Now, the shampoos and the conditioners have sulfates, but I Googled the ingredient because you should always do that when you're using a new curly hair product. When you're using any product, you should always Google the ingredients to make sure it's not going to be too harsh for your hair. Ingredients behind every product are labeled from highest amount that they use of that ingredient, and then it goes down. So if you see I don't know, a silicone all the way in the bottom, don't be too scared, because that means that they didn't use a lot of that ingredient. Let's start with the shampoo, right? I try to steer clear from very harsh sulfates, because that can dry out your hair. It's very harsh on your hair. And if you're also not okay, if you're following the curly girl method, you are not to use any silicones or sulfates. So I wanted to know if this was curly girl approved or not, so I googled this ingredient, and it is sodium lauryl methyl isethionate. I'm probably saying wrong, but anyway, it is a cleansing agent, aka surfactant, that can be found in clarifying shampoos, body washes, and even toothpaste. When I read that, it didn't make me feel good. It's found in toothpaste. It's derived from coconuts. It's a safe, mild alternative to harsh sulfates and other aggressive surfactants that can strip the hair of its oils. So that was very comforting when I read that. I did go deeper into this ingredient, and it seems like it is a very safe and sometimes pricey ingredient to use, which explains why the Olaplex is a little bit pricier than other hair products. Second ingredient that I wanted to see what's up with this was trimethicone. Now, trimethicone is a silicone, and silicones can build up on your hair and create a sort of film. That film can be difficult to wash off unless you're using a harsh surfactant. If you're following the curly girl method, you don't use any products that have silicones. So when I googled this type of silicone, I got, although silicone compounds can be toxic if ingested and have been shown to cause allergic reactions in some studies, trimethicone, when applied topically in hair care and skincare products, is generally considered safe. Generally. I went on to read that it is an excellent conditioning agent for your hair as well as your skin. It forms a non-greasy, non-sticky film when spread over hair and skin and prevents the loss of moisture from the surface. It goes on to say that this type of ingredient is a little bit pricier because it's better for your hair. With that being said, the Olaplex Set says it's a bond maintenance, says it repairs, it strengthens and hydrates. The ingredients seem to be good ingredients, but that could be attributing to why your hair looks healthier and stronger. I'm not sure if it's actually helping or improving your hair. I won't know that until I use this product over time, but it seems like when you use the product, the ingredients that are in there will coat your hair in a certain way so that it probably looks like your hair is intact because of all the ingredients. Now, if I don't use this shampoo and conditioner all the time, will I still have the same look? Not sure, but we will see. I'm gonna do another video probably like a month later to show you guys how my hair has held up using this set. So I currently in my hair have the leave-in conditioner that I'm using, that I always use, which is the Cantu Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner, and I did something different. I mixed in the Bonding Oil, which is the number 7 that comes in the set, with my leave-in conditioner. I heard a lot of people have been doing this and it's been working great for them. I wanted to try this because the first 2 times I used the Bonding Oil, I used it incorrectly. You are supposed to use the bonding oil right before you style, after you wash your hair. I did it after I put in my leave-in conditioner. We're gonna see what I'm working with now. So far, my hair looks pretty good. And this is just with the leave-in and the oil. Now, I have no product in here yet, but I feel like if I wanted to, I could just let my hair dry like this and it will look good, which I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let my hair dry and show you guys how it looks, because I really just want to review the Olaplex Set without putting any styling products in my hair, because how am I gonna be able to tell if this is actually working for my hair if I'm just putting other styling products, which of course styling products are gonna make your hair look better. That's what they are meant to do. So I'm gonna just wait and let my hair air dry so I can look at my strands and my cuticles and see how they look and feel, so that I can give you guys a good honest review on the Olaplex Holiday Essentials Set. Look, my hair is bouncy. I'm back, 100% dry hair, and this is me with just the leave-in conditioner and the Olaplex Bonding Oil. This is how my hair responded to it pretty well. I have a lot of body, a lot of volume, my curls feel bouncy. All in all, I give these products a thumbs up. I understand what the rave is. I've been using Olaplex number 3 for quite some time, but I never use any other product because only recently it's been available. Before, Olaplex was a line that only hair care professionals could get their hands on. I think that I'm definitely going to be buying more Olaplex products. I think I want to get number 6, which is their leave-in. I'm so excited to continue trying this line. For whoever is struggling with damaged hair, chemically processed, heat damaged hair, split ends, I would definitely recommend trying the Olaplex Set. Yes, it's a little pricier than others, but it really does the job. You won't regret it. So I'm not gonna style my hair right now or today. I really like how my curls look right now. I kind of want to let them be free and just do whatever they want to do. I like this. I feel beautiful. I feel so cute right now with this little short hair. It took me a while to be okay with having short hair and still feeling like I'm beautiful despite me not having my long hair anymore. But I'm finally getting out of that mindset, and I'm realizing what's beautiful is who you are on the inside, and healthy hair is beautiful. It doesn't matter if it's short or long. So as long as my hair looks healthy, whatever length it's at, and I'm not experiencing thinning or shedding like I was last year, I'm gonna be happy. I'm falling in love with my hair all over again. So there you guys have it. That was my review on the Olaplex Hair Essentials Set. I give it a thumbs up. Guys, I highly recommend it. If your hair is needing a little extra oomph or is lacking shine or luster, I suggest you try the Olaplex products. This is Ruby Patchouli. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.